At this moment, we will hear words of gratitude from one of our outstanding kindergarten completer. Let us warmly welcome Rihanna Aiko Chino from Kindergarten Crescent, with Mrs. Rose Remain Kayabyab, interpreter.
Distinguished guests, dear
With Miss Michelle T.
principals,
Pereira, interpreter.
and my fellow students, a great and wonderful day to all of you. Today is a day of smiles, a day of memories, a day to thank the people who walked beside us during this time. First, I would like to thank God for His endless love and guidance, for giving me strength, courage, and a heart full of joy. Without Him, none of this would be possible. To my parents, thank you for your love that never fades, for your hands that guide me, for your heart that always believes in me. To my teachers, thank you for filling my mind with knowledge, my heart with courage, my days with kindness. You have shown me how great learning can be. To my friends and classmates, thank you for the laughter, the games, and the joy we shared. Every smile, every moment will stay with me forever. Though we are small, we have learned to dream big, to be brave, to care for one another. Today is not the end, but the beginning of new adventures and brighter days. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to everyone who made this journey possible. Congratulations to all of us. May we continue to shine like the stars we are meant to be.
Thank you, Rihanna, for inspiring and heartfelt message to our dear computers. And also thank you to Ma'am Mitch as an interpreter. Once again,